channel. So looking at your website, layout looks nice. Um, it doesn't look like you have all that much. You have a little bit of content, but you only got 311 words. The more words, the better. Content. Google loves content. The more content will help you with ranking with Google. Also, you want to have keywords in within the content organically. And then these images. Let's see, we got it saved as. So yes, you would want this to be saved as a keyword as well. Google doesn't see images; it just sees what they're saved as. And so if you save it as, roofing repair Cleveland, or some other uh, keyword that you want to rank for, it'll give you an extra keyword and it'll help you out there. Checking roof repair Cleveland versus the ads. These are a little bit. You have to be certified from Google to get these ads. They're supposed to be a little bit less spammy. And then you got the other ads down here, and then you got the GMB, and then grabbing this guy. He's also number 2, so this is the same guy. Grabbing his website. This is what it looks like. He doesn't have too much content either. He only gets 533 words. So you'd probably want to have 1,000, but you can go higher. You can go 1,500 or as much as you want. Let's see what his images are saved as. Let's see. Nope, he doesn't have that saved right. Let's see if he got this one saved right. Nope, he's missing an opportunity there. So that's something you can have an advantage over him by knowing that you need to save your images the correct way. This is your website, plugging it into Ahrefs. You got one backlink and one referring domain. I'm guessing it's you don't have any keywords or organic keywords either. And your backlink comes, it's a no follow from this place. Website Opedia. But let's plug in your competition. He's got a 29 UR and a 8 DR. He's got 1,370 backlinks, 85 referring domains, 1,600 organic keywords. He gets 589 people a month. So we can come in here, see what his backlinks are. You want to, not all backlinks are created equal. You want strong ones. You want high DR, high UR. You also want them to be relevant to the roofing industry. Like this one, you see it's this one's no follow, but this one's content. So this is do follow. The do follow is just it passes you strength. It's Google Trust. It gives you more strength for Google, as well as higher UR and or DR and UR. And then it has to be relevant to industry. You don't want fast food or deep sea diving linking to your website. You'd want roofing companies or renovation companies or remodeling or just pages that relate to roofing linking back to your web page. But we can come in here and see if we like this. See, we can go after the backlinks that this guy has and see how he got them and if we were able to get them ourselves. It looks like this is a blog post. So somewhere, see, I think I might not have seen it. West Side Roofing, was that? West Side Roofing. So yes, this is just a blog. It's a blog post about the company. So they might have either paid for this or they might have been a guest post or something. But you can pay. You can pay to get bloggers to blog about you. You can get sponsors. You can get. You can go out and get guest posts. You can blog comment. You can get news articles written about your company and ask them to link to your website. There's other ways you can get it, basically anywhere you can get someone to link back to you, and you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry and it also has a strong UR and DR. You don't want to have spammy, low numbers. Next thing, let's go look at this guy's keywords that he's ranking for. Roofing Cleveland, Ohio, that's his top one. 150 people search that a month. He's ranked number 1. He gets 54 of those people. The KD is 12, so it's a little bit harder to rank for that one, but it's not super hard. It's just going to take longer time. Whereas Roof Repair, Cleveland, Ohio, That's a 60 volume, 5 KD. That's a lot easier to rank for. You can get there a lot faster. Roofing, Cleveland, Ohio. That's a 1250. So it's a harder one. Roofing contractor. That's a 750 people search that though, but 7. Roof tear off company. Oh nope, that's not location specific. It doesn't have Cleveland in here. Cleveland roofing, 8. Let's see. No, we don't want that. If you service this area, Akron, 150 people search that, 7 KD. Roofing companies, Cleveland, Ohio, that would be a good one to go for. 100 volume, 4 KD, so you can get that one pretty fast. Roof repair, this one, 5 KD. And you just come down here and find all the ones. Gutters, if you do gutter repair, 50 volume, 0 KD. But yeah, you just kind of find the ones that you like. Put them in your website, either under saved with images or saved or in your organically in your content, and then you'll start having that keyword ranked for Google. Google will find that keyword for you. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have it, set one up. It's free, and you just have to Google will send you a postcard, and then you just for your address, and you just verify yourself. You set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then for the content wise, it's photos. So the more photos you have, the better. You want to save them with keywords as well. And then the next thing would be citations. So go ahead and check out this guy's citation. He's got 19 citations. Citations are just directories. So it's got your, we can't see it for some reason. It says it's no known submittable ones, but it found 19 citations out there. But citations are like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get them on Facebook. You can get them from basically anywhere. You can put your name. You got to make sure it's the same. So you don't want to miss this exclamation point. You want to have it the exact same as in your GMB. You'd want to have the phone number the exact same, and you want to have the location the exact same as well. And that's how you get citation. But there's directories anywhere you can submit that stuff. There's thousands of them out there. It's just time consuming, but it's you can do it. It's something you can do. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we could talk on the phone sometime or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.